today we decided to go ahead and glass some of the wood, exposed wood underneath the flooring. And we did that. I was able to buy some woven roving fiberglass cloth and a gallon of fiberglass resin. And we were able to put it down on the floor to give it some more strength and to protect it from weather. And we'll continue to do some more of that over the next week. And then we'll get more to sanding the gel coat on the top. So today, one of the other little windshield pods on the boat, we decided to sand it, see how it's going to actually turn out with a clear coat. Turned out wonderful. So it's kind of a representation of what the boat should look like when we're all finished. The weather now is turning very nice outside, so we'll be ramping up the sanding and everything on the rest of the gel coat on the top and clear coating it soon. And the pod is a good representation of what it'll look like. We have about 90% of the boat sanded now, rough sand. I went ahead and went down to 120 grit just to break it up a little quicker. And so starting this week, later in the week, when it's completely sanded, we're going to go ahead and start wet sanding it and then start staging the clear coat. It'd be nice to clear coat the entire boat at the one time, but it's not going to be feasible since we got to walk around and everything. So we'll probably start with the inside and then work our way out. And after that, then we'll start doing the carpet and the upholstery, and then start buffing the hull. But we're still another month. I wished it was quicker, but the weather here in Idaho this April, May has been very wet and cold. So it's hampered us by at least a month. So I finished the DA sanding with the 120, and now proceeding to wet sand the boat with 320 grit. This will give us a good base for the clear coat, and now I can, hand sand all the little tight crevices that need to be sanded prior to clear coat. So I'm getting really excited. It's going to be a beautiful boat once we get it clear coated.
Ed, what's your solution in there?
What's that?
What's in that spray bottle?
H2O.
Oh, it's a chemical, huh?
Yeah.
H2O? Where do you buy that at?
Huh?
Where do you buy H2O?
Sell it in a bottle or in a can?
Yeah, I get it from the garden hose.
How do you think the boat looks right now?
It looks a little rusty and old and decrepit.
Any progress?
Not really.